Hello! This TMCC Library video will cover how to use advanced searching and tools in our library databases to enhance your research. Remember that when you use digital content from the library, you're accessing it through a database. While you can search nearly all of our databases through the library search box on the homepage, there are some advantages to searching just one or two databases individually. One advantage is that most databases specialize in a certain discipline, like biology or history, or they focus on certain types of sources, like peer-reviewed articles or newspaper articles. Identifying what you need for your research and then utilizing the most suitable databases will focus your search. If you need insight on which databases would be best for your research, contact a librarian and we can help get you started. For this video, my research question is, how does social media use affect brain development and mental health in teens? Rather than doing a general search, I will use a database that focuses on psychology and provides peer-reviewed studies. While I could try a basic search with my topic, I will use the advanced search option. This provides a number of ways for me to tailor my search and narrow the results to exactly what I want. I can start by entering a few keywords that are important to my topic. I'm looking for research that discusses social media and mental health in teens, but because studies may use the term adolescent instead of teens or teenagers, I'll use "or" to search for either option. As I scroll down, however, I see that I can limit my result to full-text articles, meaning I can read the entire study right now. I can limit by date if I'm only interested in current research, and I can also limit by the type of study, the type of document, and the age and population groups of the studies. So for my topic, I will limit just to teenage groups, human subjects, and journal articles, all published since 2015. Here are my results. I can continue to adjust my search with the filters on the left, but when I find an article that I may want to read, I just click on the title and the article information is available. Notice the toolbox on the right side that allows me to save, print, and link this article to keep track of it. In addition, the database will provide the citation, so I can copy and paste it right into my reference page. Finally, notice that the article information includes subject terms that reflect the focus of the article. This is a great way to expand or narrow your search depending on what you're looking for. By clicking on Adolescent Development, I now have a new list of articles that also discuss that subject. As you can see, there are many ways that you can use databases to help your research. For more information about research and resources that we have at the TMC Library, reach out to a TMCC librarian today.